Hi, in this Blender tutorial, I demonstrate you that how we can make some color gradient lights in Blender. So no further ado, let's get into it. Here you can see that I have splitted my screen in two parts. One is a 3D viewport which contains a plane, a Suzanne monkey which I subdivided and make it shade smooth, and a point lamp and a camera. So for a good idea, like here is my light, and now with my light selected I can go to the material light data and use the use nodes button, and I have this thing. Okay, now to make the gradient light work, we need first two things. One is geometry node and second is light path. To combine this both geometry and light path, we need a vector math. Okay, now connect geometry node's position node to the first vector and ray length to the second vector. Okay, now we can add a map range here and connect the vector math value to the value. Okay, this will control our gradients exposure or length actually, and to create a gradient, light gradient, we need a color ramp. Okay, like this we can have, and if you want you can shift to the render preview mode like this. You can see that I have no color right now because it is not affecting anything. So to make it colorful, we can add some nodes like this by pressing this 50 plus button, and I will change this color by like this, yellow. By the way, you can choose color whatever color you want to choose. It is just an example, so I'm choosing this like color. Okay, like this. You can see, let me just increase the strength of this light. Okay, you can see that it's only showing the blue color. So because of our value 1, so to make it work, we can change the map range value. You have to experiment it with, but like you can change like this. Okay, and you can see the effect like this, but you can see that it is inverted. So I will just change it to 0 and then change it like this. Okay, 1.01. You can experiment it with this like this. Increase the strength, flip color ramp. By the way, if you don't like this harsh shadows, you can come to the light settings and just increase the radius. I choose 1 like this, and let's increase the light like this. Okay, and with this setup you can create whatever color light you want. Like if you don't like this yellow, you can always change this colors like that. You can see, but I like this. Okay, so that's for all. Thank you for watching. My name is HarishLohar. Thank you very much.